Hey friends, if you encounter error code 30x80040154 in Google Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the solution. Now, before I proceed further, I'll show you that I have received a similar, though not the same error. Click on these three dots here, scroll down, select Help, and click on About Chrome. And then you'll find the error code here. Okay. So the problem, it's a different error code. I get that. So the thing is that when you encounter errors with the Google Chrome updates, there isn't much you can do. I've tried resetting it. I've tried clearing the browser cache, cookies. I've tried every single thing possible, and still the error doesn't go away. So the last thing that we can try is to search for Chrome. Click on uninstall here in the right pane, and then we will simply uninstall it from the apps menu. Okay, it's gone. And once it is gone, then you can open Microsoft Edge or any browser and search for download Chrome and hit enter, and then go to the Chrome website and then click on download Chrome and then click on open and then click on Chrome setup and let it initialize. When you re-download Chrome, even if it did not update in the previous setup, even in that case, you will be getting the latest version anyway, so it will definitely not be obsolete. So we are trying to reinstall Chrome on our system, and we have made sure that the previous version was deleted. Now, once this is done, click on these three dots here, scroll down, select Help and About Chrome. And now it is up to date. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.